Let's solve this equation. Notice I have a factored polynomial on one side and I have 0 on the other side, so I can use that zero factor theorem. Factored on one side, 0, very important on the other side. We can now use the zero factor theorem and say each factor then is equal to 0. If this is true, then 3x is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. And now let's solve each of these equations. To solve this one, it does contain the variable x. We'll divide both sides by 3. And notice that x then is 0 over 3, or simply 0. How do we solve this? Here we'll add 3 to both sides, and I'll have 2x is equal to 3, and then divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, and here I'll have that x is 3 halves. How do I solve this equation? I'll subtract 4 from both sides, so I'll have 3x is negative 4, and then I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, and I'll have that x is negative 4/3. Let me rewrite x is equal to 0 again, and let me show you what we have. X is 0, or x is 3 halves, or x is negative 4/3. There are 1, 2, 3 solutions to my original equation.